I'm busy drilling the square holes for the 9 staves of Cotte's Lantern Pinion for their watermill, and I've marked the disc out and I've got it on my Multico K3 mortising machine. I've stacked the 2 discs on top of one another so that the holes will exactly align top and bottom, and I've got this half moon against the fence at the back with a register, and each of the holes has got a register on its center line, so I just have to turn it to the next position and make sure that there's a piece of wood underneath for the square chisel to go through into, so that it doesn't break away underneath, and so that we've done 3. Next one is number 4. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're set up for number 4. I'm going to start with the left back, as I have with all the other ones. I've got limit stops set up to give the right width and the right distance from the fence at the back. The limit stop wasn't in place, but it is part of the machine here. But I had to make a limit stop arrangement for the backwards and forwards by adding this steel plate on the front, and it prevents the saddle or whatever it is coming further forward there or back when it hits that washer at the back there. This wood is really hard. I'm not sure what it is. John supplied it. It might be Belinga or Eki. It might be American white oak, but I don't think so. I think it's one of the others. Got the depth stop there. up against that stop there. See whether that's on size. Doesn't seem to be quite there in that direction. Something's wrong. I must do it some more in both directions there. But anyway, that's the hole. Well, there it is. The 9 holes are cut through both discs, the upper disc and the bottom one. The bearings in the middle are because at the mill they want the water wheel to run a lot of the time, and I don't want the stones to turn the whole time, so we'll have some method of locking the lantern pinion onto or loosen it off the stone spindle, but it'll otherwise run on the bearings on the stone spindle.